Hey everyone, welcome to Online Help Guide. Today in this video, I'm gonna show you how to change or add bio on Twitter. So let's get started. Begin by launching your X application. Then tap on your profile icon at the top left corner of your screen. Then select Profile option. Tap on Edit Profile button. Now tap on Bio. Then perform a change or add bio. Once you're done, tap on the Save button at the top right corner of your screen. And this is how you can change or add bio on Twitter. Thanks for watching Online Help Guide. If you like this video, hit the like button and drop a comment with any questions or feedback. If you are new, subscribe and click the bell icon to stay updated on our future videos.